Room 301. Travelodge in Workington. Haven't checked in yet. Here we go. Open the door, walk in. First impressions, put the light on. It's a family room. So we've got 4 beds. That means I can have the double. Daughter, partner is right. Bathroom. There's the mirror. There you see me ugly mug then. There's the toilet. 2 toilet rolls, sink, stack of towels, and a shower with a bath. More towels, curtain rail, and a thingy, curtain. Some plugs next to your bed with the USBs and some lights. Nice big artwork on the ceiling. Telly. Comfy chair. Table, chair, mirror, kettle, window. Let's see what our view's like. Oh, the car park. Look at us. There's our car down there. There's a coach, Katie's coach. There's some houses. There's something over there. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.